Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to take out the dirty pollen filter and replace it with a new one. So guys, don't forget to replace your air pollen filter. It's located just up here in the top corner. This is a little tray that has to be come out first. And now we're going to pull out the original one. Oh gosh, look at that. It is black. Compared to the new one. Okay, that is why you need to change your panel filter. So you're sucking in or breathing in all this dirt. So time to get a new one on. It's very simple. Just replace it back in there, and then throw on your little cover around it, which helps us center it. Okay, and so after a heck of a struggle, I got it in. There is a front and a back to both the panel and to the surround. So the panel would say airflow and an arrow pointing down. So obviously the air is going down into the fan. And on the clip, there's two little catches. Just where are they gone? Just there. So at the front, they're at the top, and at the back, they're at a lower level. So that's how you know the front and the back. Now, it's all installed. Very happy. Hey guys, so thanks very much for watching. Very simple little video there today. And if you like these videos, do subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And if you want to support me, you can do so at buymeacoffee.com, link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.